Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to calculate exponents or indices, and you also want to be able to type them. So let's start by calculating the square of 2. So I'd type an equals in, then I'd select the cell with the 2 in it. And to get the exponent's character, you need to access this character here, the caret character. And it's on the same key as the 6. You hold down Shift on your keyboard and press that key, and that gives you the exponents or the index character. Now if I'm squaring it, I just put in a 2, I press enter, and then I can copy this down and it will square these other numbers. Now if I want to cube those numbers, it would be equals the number I want to cube. Then I'd use this same character, the caret character, so Shift and 6, and then I'd type in a 3. Press enter, and then I can copy this down. Now, what if you actually want to type out your exponents as I've got it there, 10 to the power of 2? Well, what you would do is you'd start with an apostrophe, then you'd write your 10, and then the 2. Then you'd select the 2, right-click, go to Format Cells, and then you've got to tick this option here, Superscript. Click on OK, press Enter. You may get this green triangle, this warning triangle. If you select the cell, go to this orange triangle, and then select Ignore Error. That will get rid of the warning for you. Now you can also calculate the square root and the cube root of a number. To do that, it will be equals the number to the power of, and then in brackets, 1 divided by 2. This is for the square root. Now for the cube root, it would be equals the number to the power of, and then in brackets, 1 divided by 3. And that will give you the cube root. Okay, that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Hopefully that's useful. If it is, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you next video.